Welcome back. Today, I'm revealing the most viral dermatologist-approved skincare deals on Amazon for Prime Day. I've curated the top products that actually work. Think science-backed formulas, K-beauty innovations, and anti-aging essentials. We'll cover everything from soothing barrier creams to game-changing serums for that glass skin glow. Ready to upgrade your routine and save big? Let's dive in. Korean skincare is all about nurturing your skin barrier with calming, collagen-boosting ingredients like Cica, oat, and peptides. Let's check out the hottest K-beauty products that deliver real results, starting with a serum that's making waves in Seoul. Meet the Pink Peptide 12 PDRN Serum, powered by Salmon DNA for next-level skin repair. PDRN signals your skin to act younger, while 12 peptides boost collagen and firmness. This lightweight serum brightens, firms, and restores, targeting scars and fine lines. It absorbs fast, leaving your skin luminous and hydrated. If you want a pro-level anti-aging boost at home, grab this during Prime Day. Sensitive or stressed skin? PURITO, Oat-In Calming Gel Cream is your new best friend. With 77% oat water, squalane, and panthenol, it soothes, hydrates, and repairs without heaviness. The gel cream texture is perfect for all skin types, even oily or acne-prone. It's a must-have for calming irritation and restoring balance. Cica, or Centella asiatica, is legendary for healing and calming. This intensive Cica repair cream, boosted with Dexpanthenol, soothes acne, redness, and post-procedure skin. It's a dermatologist favorite for recovery. Think of it as a first aid kit in a jar. Rovectin Calming Lotus Water. Cream delivers pure hydration with 75% lotus water and antioxidants. Its light, watery texture suits all skin types, plumping and balancing without stickiness. Vegan and cruelty-free, it's ideal for hot weather or anyone who hates heavy creams. Your skin will feel soft, refreshed, and perfectly hydrated. Overdone it with actives? ETUDE SoonJung 2X Barrier Cream repairs and strengthens your skin barrier. Panthenol and madecassoside hydrate and soothe, restoring resilience and calm. The rich, buttery texture nourishes without heaviness. This Prime Day duo set is a steal for anyone needing barrier TLC. Let's talk anti-aging. PDRN, retinol, and peptides are the gold standards for targeting wrinkles, firmness, and dullness. These actives rejuvenate at the cellular level, revealing smoother, younger-looking skin. Thanks to Prime Day, you can now try these powerhouse formulas for less. The Salmon DNA PDRN Anti-Aging Serum delivers concentrated repair for elasticity, firmness, and radiance. It's perfect for those who want visible anti-aging results without retinol irritation. The silky texture layers beautifully. Add this to your routine for a true skin upgrade. PDRN Collagen. Jelly cream combines salmon DNA with hydrolyzed collagen for deep repair and instant plumping. The bouncy jelly texture hydrates and smooths fine lines without heaviness. It's ideal for combo or oily skin needing anti-aging benefits. Use it as your final step or a makeup primer for a glassy finish. Bay Body Retinol Cream is a cult favorite for smoothing texture-fading lines and evening skin tone. Retinol is paired with hyaluronic acid green tea and shea butter for hydration and comfort. Use it nightly for a gentle, all-in-one anti-aging boost. New to retinol? This gentle retinol cream delivers anti-aging results in a deeply moisturizing base. It fades dark spots and smooths lines while supporting your skin barrier. Perfect for sensitive skin or retinol beginners. Consistency is key. Indulge in French luxury with Institut Esthederm Pro-Collagen Plus Cream. It stimulates your skin's own collagen for firmer, lifted and redensified skin. The rich, velvety texture is a treat for mature or dry skin. Prime Day is the time to splurge. Struggling with dark spots or dullness? Brightening ingredients like Arbutin, Tranexamic acid, Niacinamide, and kojic acid are your go-tos. These actives fade discoloration and even skin tone. Just remember, sunscreen is essential. Let's explore the best formulas for glowing, radiant skin. This cream packs 7% Arbutin and 4% Tranexamic acid to tackle stubborn pigmentation from all angles. Arbutin gently fades spots while Tranexamic acid blocks pigment transfer and calms redness. The creamy base prevents irritation, making it a powerful option for melasma or sunspots. If other brighteners haven't worked, this one's a game changer. This serum combines 10% niacinamide and 4% tranexamic acid for a multitasking approach to hyperpigmentation, redness, and acne marks. It regulates oil, calms inflammation, and brightens, all in a lightweight, water-based formula. A smart pick for anyone battling uneven tone and texture. SoonJung's serum blends kojic acid and alpha-arbutin for clinical-level brightening. Add hyaluronic acid and vitamin C and you've got a potent formula for sunspots and uneven tone. Patch test first. This is a powerful treatment for serious glow. Glow Melanin Nourishing Face Cream is tailored for melanin-rich skin, targeting dehydration and hyperpigmentation. Shea butter, avocado, and jojoba oils deeply nourish and enhance your natural glow. It's a rich, non-greasy moisturizer that celebrates and supports radiant skin. Hydration and barrier repair are the foundation of healthy skin. Without them, nothing else works. These essentials replenish moisture and strengthen your skin's defenses. Let's look at the must-haves for every routine. Proactive Clean Acne Clearing Hydrator is a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer for acne-prone skin. It hydrates while salicylic acid keeps pores clear and breakouts at bay. Use daily for balanced, soothed, and healthy skin. Institut Esthederm's Intensive Propolis Plus Concentrate soothes and purifies breakout-prone, inflamed skin. Propolis fights bacteria and calms redness, while the serum in oil texture feels light and non-greasy. A luxury treatment for adult acne and sensitivity. Ovalescent Skin. Clear Cream is a K-beauty spot treatment that targets blemishes, inflammation, and post-acne marks. Ovalescent, tea tree oil, and niacinamide work together to clear, calm, and brighten. Apply directly to spots for fast, gentle results. Frankly, Pore Closer Toner Pads use gentle PHA to exfoliate and minimize pores. They control oil and refine texture. Just swipe after cleansing for a quick refresh. Perfect for oily or congested skin needing daily gentle exfoliation. Finish strong with the essentials: eye cream, sunscreen, and a treatment mask. These products protect, brighten, and give your skin that final boost of radiance. Let's check out the best finishers to complete your routine. PURITO Sunday Adventure. Sunscreen is a broad-spectrum SPF 50+ with zero white cast and a serum-like feel. It's reef-safe, blends effortlessly, and doubles as a hydrating moisturizer. Finally, a sunscreen you'll actually love to wear every day. Eucerin Radiant Tone Eye Cream targets dark circles with thiamidol brightening pigments and hyaluronic acid. The cooling metal tip depuffs and hydrates for instant and long-term results. A drugstore gem for brighter, smoother under-eyes. VT Cosmetics Collagen Reedle Shot. Mask uses microneedle tech to deliver collagen deep into the skin. Step 1 preps with Cica-based microneedles. Step 2 infuses with a hydrogel mask for instant plumping. You'll see dewy, bouncy skin and softened lines, perfect before a big event. It's a glimpse into the future of at-home skincare. That's a wrap on the best Prime Day skincare deals. Science-backed, viral, and dermatologist-approved. Which product are you grabbing? Comment below and share your picks. Subscribe for more beauty deals and check the description for all links. Thanks for watching. Snag your favorites before the deals disappear.